Luxembourg authorities issued health recommendations after smoke from Belgian wildfires drifted into the country over the weekend. Officials confirmed there was no significant health risk. I'm Vanessa for RTL Today and RTL Today Radio, and here are the 5 stories we think you should know about at the end of this week. Luxembourg's Ministry of Economy has warned of pressure on national fuel supplies due to low water levels, rail works, and wildfires. Some petrol stations may face local shortages or delivery delays, though overall supply remains secure. U.S. firm Kyndryl has confirmed that the 130 Bill employees set to transfer on the 1st of September will not be affected by its current redundancy plan. Meta is on trial in the U.S., accused of deliberately making Facebook and Instagram addictive to children. The trial began this week in California with a coalition of 29 states seeking penalties and major changes. Russian strikes overnight into Thursday killed at least 16 people and wounded dozens in Kyiv and surrounding areas. The attacks hit residential areas, warehouses, and a medical facility. The weekly recap is out every Friday at noon on rtltoday.lu.